pretty cool, wasn't it, Mom? That's just for you. This is the excavator doing work down by the creek where you and Soph threw rocks this past spring. So thought you'd enjoy that video. Love you.